Hey there, welcome to the video. Today, I'm going to be showing you a low content KDP book niche that's making sellers thousands a month. In fact, one seller is making over $4,124 per month from just one book. And the best part is it's actually pretty simple to create. So if you're brand new to Amazon KDP or you're already publishing but looking for that next profitable niche, this could be the perfect opportunity to add a profitable stream of passive income to your portfolio. Now, if you're interested in creating your first low content book on Amazon and you need some help, well, you can go ahead and check out my KDP royalty roadmap. So the link is going to be down in the description and it's going to help you along with your KDP journey and hopefully get your first book up and running on Amazon KDP. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online, whether it be through Amazon KDP or other online businesses. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. So in today's video, we're going to be going through a couple things. We're going to be diving deep into this niche. We're going to check the competition, look at the demand, and then finally, we're going to evaluate the potential for profits. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to create the interior for this book step by step. And by the end of the video, you're going to have everything that you need to start publishing in this niche and start making some sales on Amazon KDP. Okay, so the niche that we're going to be talking about today is the stained glass coloring book. Now, the stained glass coloring book is a unique type of coloring book and it features designs that's inspired by the look of traditional stained glass artwork. Now, these books typically include bold and black outlines and intricate patterns that mimic the appearance of stained glass windows that can be found in things like churches, cathedrals, and decorative art. Now, this is going to be a perfect niche for Amazon KDP because it has a low competition. And so books are popular here and stained glass coloring books are always going to be in demand. Secondly, it has high profit potential, meaning people are willing to pay more for these unique types of artistic coloring books. And then third, it's easy to create. So using tools like Canva, Creative Fabrica, BookBolt, as well as a tool that I'm going to show you today, you can easily design this type of coloring book without any trouble at all. And lastly, this is going to have an evergreen appeal, meaning the demand for this type of coloring book is going to continue year round. Now, if we check out the data for this niche, well, I'm using a free plugin called Titan's Quick View. This is available on the Chrome web store, so feel free to download this. So this tool is going to give you the exact total results. So this one is 1,352, meaning that there's 1,352 books here to compete with. You're going to have information like the exact match for this keyword, how many books are independently published, meaning how many books are KDP books, the average bestsellers rank, so 189,000, which is actually very, very good. The average reviews, and then the average price of $6.39. Now, when I'm analyzing a niche, I'm trying to validate it and trying to see if it's worth my time. I'm looking for three specific things. Number one has to do with the competition. So with competition, I'm looking for search results that have about 1,000 or less, because this is going to tell me that the competition is not so high. So there's going to be a decent chance at trying to get my book ranked on the first page of Amazon without having to use Amazon ads. Number two, I'm looking for demand. And the way I do this is by looking for 3 or more KDP books that have a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below, because this is going to tell me that these books are selling right now, which means that people are looking for these types of books and so that there's some type of demand here. And then number three, I'm looking for a niche score that's provided by Titan's Quick View that basically validates all of this. And that score is going to be 50 or higher. So back here on Amazon, we're going to see that stained glass coloring book has 1,352 total results. So this definitely passes my step one. And then with the step two, we're going to go through the books here on the first page to look for books with a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below. And I tend to skip all of these sponsored products. So the first one that shows up is this one. When I hover over it, I'm looking for under publisher that it says independently published and with the bestsellers rank 4,061. So this is a very good selling book. In fact, when I plug it into this KDP book sales calculator, that's about 52 sales per day and an estimated 1,560 books per month. And if I add that royalty calculator in with its information, that equates to about an estimated royalty of $137 per day, which equates to over $4,000 per month from just this one book right here. We have this book independently published with a bestsellers rank 186,000. Another book that's independently published with a bestsellers rank of 184,000. Another one with a bestsellers rank of 55,000. This one's 142,000, 83,000, 79,000, 154,000. So we see a lot of demand here for this book, and I haven't even gone through the whole first page here. So I'm pretty confident that there's going to be enough demand here. And with a niche score of 62, that's basically validating the first two steps here. So I know there's potential for profits here, but I really kind of want to work on the total results. So in order to do that, we're going to do something called niching down or finding a sub niche. It's pretty standard procedure because not all the time you're going to find search results that have a less than 1,000. So in order to do that, the easiest, fastest way is actually just to go ahead and click on the Amazon search bar. You're going to come up with all of these right here. This is just a small sample size, but as you can see, it says stained glass coloring book for adults. For kids, that's another one, Catholic, and you can find even more if you play around with the wording. Now, another great way is to use this tool called Publisher Rocket, especially right here, this reverse ASIN lookup. All you have to do is click it, enter the ASIN or the ISBN of a book. For this example, let's go ahead and grab this book that we were looking at. I'm going to go ahead and copy the ASIN. And then now I'm just going to hit this Go Get 'em Rocket, and it's going to do its job. It's basically going to come up with all of the keywords that this book has ranked for on Amazon. And this is going to be a great way to actually find more niches. So you can actually go through all of this. This one says stained glass coloring book, nature and landscapes. If I want to do more analysis on this, you can go ahead and click this magnifying glass, and it's going to give you some information here. So this is going to be the monthly sales. This is going to be the searches per month. And then this is going to be the competition. So really what you want to look for are 2 greens right here. And that's going to tell you that that might be a worthwhile niche to look into. And really you could just go ahead and click all of these, and then you'll probably find more than a few to do more research on. Here's one right here, Animals in Nature Adult Coloring Book, the average monthly sales, the average searches per month, which is good, and then the low competition. So this might be something that you want to look into. I mean, look, you have over 10 pages to look through, and you can just keep clicking and keep finding these sub niches that you never knew existed. Like this one right here, stained glass coloring mandala, 360 searches, 14 low competition. So this is a great tool. If you want to check out Publisher Rocket, I'm going to leave the link down below. Now, the sub niche that I found is actually called Stained Glass Trees Coloring Book. And we can see a niche score, very decent, 56. Total results, 274. So very, very low competition here. This might be a great one to look at. The average bestsellers rank, 2.3 million. Average price, $7.81. As you can see, there's not a lot of exact matches and not as many independently published books in this niche. But if we go and look at some of these books, you can see here's one, the same book that we looked at with a ranking of 3,477. We have another book here ranking in at 234,000. And then a few more books here that are selling pretty well. Now, this book is going to be your typical 8.5 by 11 inch book. And you're going to want at least 40 to 50 of these images, which is going to translate to about 100 pages overall for your book. Now, the price for this book depends on what you want, but it can be from $6.99 up to $9.99. Typically, I like to price my books for this niche at $7.99 and see how it performs. And then I'm going to adjust accordingly. Now, if we look at the A+ content from this publisher to look at some of the interiors, as we can see, this is what the interior looks like. And you can see 40 amazing, large, high-resolution prints, single-sided pages. So you're going to put the image on one page, the back side is going to be a blank page. That's why it's going to be 100 pages, even though you only have 50 images. And then the perfect Christmas gift, relaxation, fun, and creativity for the whole family. Now, to create the interiors of this book, I'm actually going to use this program called Nurie Creator. I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to check it out. But basically, this is going to be an easy way to create fully done for you coloring pages that are print ready. You don't have to worry about no grayscaling, and all the lines are going to be nice and crisp. And really all you're going to have to do is enter your prompts right here and then hit generate. Obviously, there's going to be a few more options here. So we can select a tab right here. So AI generation actively creates images using AI. That's what I chose right here. But you can also do single niche multiplier, which allows bulk generation of images based on a specific theme or topic. So this is going to be a great one if you want to create a book really, really fast, because it can spit out like 40 images. And then the queue generation queues your images for processing, and then it lets you retrieve them later when it's completed. And then you can also upload clip art that lets you turn your own clip art into coloring book images. But I'm going to show you how AI generation works on this Nurie creator. Now I put some prompts in here: flowers, animals, landscapes. I probably don't need to put this right here because the art style is stained glass, as you can see down here. You can choose no background or background layer assist. I'm just going to do no background. You can choose a turbo mode and then select the image size. So here are all the image sizes right here, but for this book, it's going to be 8.5 by 11. And then stained glass here is all of the art styles. You can take a look right here, but we're going to go with stained glass. And then the cool thing is you can choose the line thickness between thin, medium, and thick. I'm going to stay with medium. And then once you have this, just hit generate images, give it a few minutes, and it's going to generate you some samples that you can go ahead and either use in your book or continue to fine tune and create more images like it. So as you can see, for stained glass coloring, this is what it provided me. And it's not perfect. As you can see, this is missing a leg, but like this one is pretty good. And then this one is pretty good. So these are ones that I could probably use. For flowers, you can see what the flowers look like, pretty good. And then for animals, this is what the animals look like. And then for landscapes, which turned out really, really well, I think this is what it looks like. Now, with any of these pictures, you can change the line thickness to make it thinner or thicker, up to you. So if we take, for example, this flower one that's a little bit thin, well, let's add a little bit of thickness. Let's do 3 and then just hit update image here. You're going to see this change. And as you can see, it became thicker and it looks a little bit better. Now, if you want to download these images to use into your book, all you have to do is enable one of these options, either the SVG export, the PDF export, or the PNG export. Personally, if you have the SVG export, use that. That's going to be the highest quality. So once you click this, it's going to give you the SVG options, likewise with the other options as well. And then all you have to do, for example, let's go ahead and do this one, click SVG, and it'll go ahead and download it like that. Save it, and then do that with every image that you want. So let's go ahead and do this. And then from here, we're going to choose probably this one right here. And then with this one, I think I'm going to go with the first one right here. Click SVG. Now on Canva, we want to create an 8.5 by 11 inch project. So you can either put it right here manually. Now, once you have your project done, the first page is typically going to be a belongs to page. So I'm just going to add a text, add a heading, and then I'm going to put this book belongs to, and then I'm going to make it smaller like this, like that. Put it right in the middle, center it, and then go to elements, look for a line, put that just below it like that. Let's go ahead and extend it more, and then choose the font. This is a little bit too much. Let's do 18. And then put this, go ahead and do the line style, line weight, put it down to 1 or 2. And then there you go. Now, if you want to change this into a coloring element, you could just go hit effects, hollow. Customers can color this in, and then all you want to do is just center it like that. And then the next page is going to be the back page. And so you want to make the next page, which is the odd page. This is where you want to put your image. Now go ahead and upload those images onto Canva by either dragging it in here or clicking uploads and then uploading the file. As you can see, I have all 4 images right here. And then from here, all you're gonna do is click on it and it's gonna show up right here, and then just extend it to the corners just like that. And there you go, that's that. So add the page. This is the back side of this page. Add another page and then go ahead and choose your next image and just do the same thing for all of them. Now you're going to need 40 to 50 of these images. So keep using Nurie Creator to generate you more and more images. And then once you have enough images, you can go ahead and just do this. You're going to end up with about 100 pages. And once you have that completed book, go ahead and hit share, download as a PDF print. You want to do all pages. And then if you're paying for Pro, use CMYK. If you're using the free version, go ahead and use RGB. And then go ahead and hit download, and this interior will be ready to upload onto KDP. All you really need to do is create a cover. Now, if you want to go ahead and try Nurie Creator for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. Also, don't forget about my KDP royalty roadmap, which is going to help you publish your very first low content book on Amazon KDP. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. Link is also down below. If you want more videos like this, leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, as well as follow me on all my socials at JeffSetLife. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.